So I'm going to change the oil on my 2006 Toyota Camry. To change your oil, of course, lift your hood. You jack your car up. We got it jacked up. Nice. All right. Then we work our way down. All right. As we work our way down, we have our jack stand right there. Make sure you have a jack stand, extra safety. If you have never changed oil before, I feel sorry for you. Just kidding, you guys. All right. So there's plenty channels out there on how to change oil. All right. This one is specifically for our Toyota Camry 2006, but the same science for every car. And basically your oil pan is right here. Your transmission is over here. And yeah, that's the story with that. So we have our oil pan right here on the left side, and then you have the nut right there. So what we're going to do is release the nut, drain the oil, and then we have the oil filter. I'm going to flip y'all around. You see right there? So there's a cover plate right here. As soon as you move up, the oil filter is right there. I have my socket right here. My favorite socket. Bought this from Harbor Freight many moons ago. I would love to have another one like this. That would be cool. But this is one that you can extend the neck, and you can have extra leverage, and you definitely need extra leverage when you're taking off your oil nut. If you haven't took it off in a while, it will be hard to get off. And on top of that, you have on and then you have off. Well, on, off, okay? So that's the beauty of that, all right? This is for us beginners out there. So off, and we are going to put it on. And since I got more leverage, it's not going to be that hard to take off. We're going to twist it off, and we just twisted it off. There we go. Don't know why I was acting stubborn. This is a 14 millimeter that I'm using. I believe this is a newer nut, because the old one stripped on me a long time ago. So yeah, I like wearing my black gloves, but I left my black gloves on the counter, and I don't feel like getting back up right now. So all right, we'll let that drain, and then we will take off our filter. I'm gonna put the screw back on. Nice and easy. Tighten it back up. All right, I think that's tight enough. All right, you guys, I gotta put y'all in reverse, and right there. So we just opened it up, and I'm going here to the filter. So I'm pushing onto the filter, and now I'm twisting. And now I'm twisting for it to come off. Nice and easy. Now I'm gonna move y'all so no oil will drip down. So, all right, you guys. So I already took the old gasket out. And I got oil on my floor. So I took the old gasket out, all right, the old filter out. When you take your old filter out, make sure that the gasket is still on. Sometimes your gasket sticks onto the filter housing, and when that happens, you will double gasket. So it'll be too many gaskets on there, and your oil will definitely leak out of your engine, and you will blow your engine, all right? Seen it done before. Hand tighten it is fine when you hand tighten, because heat, expansion, and all of that other crazy scientific stuff that, you know, we were supposed to pay attention to in class. And we're gonna pour it in. And this is the beauty. Nice and easy. Valve cover back on. All right, got that. So that's not bad, you guys. I just leave these on hand tighten because it's a valve cover gasket, you guys. It's not that serious.